Welcome back to Harvested and Handcrafted. I am Alyssa with Culinary Creation, and this week we're going to use some of the Boudin sausages with some really fresh vegetables that we got from our farmer friends. We were going to go to Southern Ponderosa today and make some wonderful kebabs. However, our friend Callie hurt herself last night, so we had to pivot.
You know what did you mean when you said pivot?
Russell,
Good
my
morning.
man, how are you?
How are you, Alyssa? I'm fine.
Fantastic. We want to get the, is it called Boudin?
Boudin,
Okay, and what is in Boudin?
rice, and some Cajun seasoning.
Perfect.
Mine is not totally authentic because the Cajuns would probably put alligator and rabbit and squirrel, maybe some possum.
Oh.
Mine is nice, lean, ground pork and pre-cooked rice. So it's very good though.
I like his version better.
Most people around here thank me for it.
Yes. Well, could we get a package of Boudin? And I think that's gonna be it. Yes, Boudin. Let's go Boudin. I like just
Okay.
saying the word. Boudin.
Can you grab it?
We are here at Gruber Farms, and we're gonna pick out just a few vegetables to add to our little sausage skillet. Corn is definitely in season right now. We haven't done anything with corn, so let's start there. This is a nice bi-colored corn, but I love shucking. For some reason, there's some satisfaction in shucking corn. So I think I'm gonna go with my own corn that I can shuck at home. Grab 2 for today. There you go, eggs. I love peppers, but I feel like we've gotten peppers a lot recently and use them in a lot of recipes. So I'm gonna skip the peppers, but I really feel like they're calling my name. Don't listen to them. You stay over there. All right, we're gonna get a couple zucchini. So we got some yellow, we got some green. I love some color inside my dishes. So that's a little bit of the rainbow. Carrots don't really go with what we're doing today, but they are big, they are beautiful, and they are colorful. I wanna stay away from that. Look at that cucumber. That is a big cucumber.
Folks, my green beans that you see right here are wonderful green beans. Hello, girls.
She loves it. This is a family-friendly show. And those tomatoes are definitely calling my name too. Add some red, green, yellow. I feel like we're not really missing any other color. I mean, there's plenty of other colors, but nothing that goes with our meal.
What y'all up to today, girls?
We are going to make a sausage skillet meal. So we're just grabbing some veggies. All right, so we just got through with Gruber. We got all of our veggies. I decided let's add some potatoes. I wasn't going to add a second starch because one starch is usually enough in a dish for me, but like my mother-in-law, she makes a beef stew and the beef stew simmers with the potatoes and then they put it over rice. So in the South, I guess we're a 2 rice kind of place. So we're gonna grab some potatoes. There's not that much rice in the Boudin, right? Do we go for red or do we go for Yukon? The red will add more color. Well, what do mix? We're daring around here. We're back over at Low Country Olive Oil, where a few weeks ago we did one of their balsamics for our peaches and pork steak recipe thingy-mabobbies. That's my professional name. And then, but now we're gonna hop over to the olive oils. And so they have all kinds of flavors: black truffle, blood orange, habanero lime. But the Somerville, just because it has the name Somerville in it, is like bold and in neon lights to me right now. So what is the Somerville blend?
The Somerville blend is a blend of 2 different oils from Chile that have just been blended together for a unique flavor.
I think I'm going for the Somerville blend just because it has the word Somerville in it.
Good choice, good choice.
All right, we'll do that one. All right, so first and foremost, let's get these sausages going. So what Russell had told us, and P.S., there's a lot of noise in the background. We're just hoping that doesn't come across to you guys. We've been kicked out of the Somerville Dream office. Steve says we stink too much. So, so we are out here in Hutchinson Square, which is probably the most beautiful backdrop I think we've ever had. We've got the fountain over there. We got the Christmas tree all the way towards the end. It's beautiful out here. It's not raining, which it's been raining for the past few days, so that is always nice. So we have these beautiful sausages. Russell said that there was some cooked rice in there. All right, while these are cooking, this is gonna take a minute. Let's check in with our artisans. We are here with James Brown from James Brown's Boiled Peanuts. Famous boiled peanuts. Get it right, Alyssa. And he is selling garlic flavor, Cajun flavor, and regular, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so if you've been around town at all, you probably know James. He makes his way around Somerville and to all kinds of festivities and events. Question for you.
Yes,
How many peanuts do you think you'd go through in a week, like pound-wise?
How much I eat or how much I sell?
How much you sell in a week? Roundabout.
More than 300 pounds.
300 pounds in a week?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the man is everywhere. I don't think he ever takes a day off.
I'm working on that.
He's not working on that. So 300 pounds, and out of that 300 pounds, you're eating about 150 of those pounds?
Oh, no. See, I'm a firm believer in not eating what you're selling. So me, I leave it because then it won't be enough for the customers. So I'll just wait until everybody gets taken care of, and then maybe I have a few.
The chef always eats last. If you ever go
Right.
to a dinner table, your mama is the last one to eat.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's
So
right.
what started James Brown's Boiled Peanuts?
Well, years ago, before I ever started doing any of this, I used to work for Tony the Peanut Man, but I was the guy that went in the stands. So I went in the stands and I sold the peanuts for him. I didn't make them, but I sold them for him. And that's what was a right fit for my personality. I like to talk to folks, so that worked out really well. And then after I stopped working for him, you know, I mentioned to him one time about he should maybe sell peanuts in Somerville, and he was having some issues, so he was having no part of that. His focus is downtown in those areas again. But he told me, hey, you start your own. I think you'd be good at it. So I started my own by getting some peanuts from the grocery store and starting with a rice pot, and figuring out over time with an electric stove that, you know, it's time and, you know, some things. And that was almost 11 years ago.
Isn't it crazy when you think about like your beginning stages and that you were cooking out of a rice pot, and now you're like, there is no way I could ever cook out of a rice pot anymore. Like the quantity is way too much.
Yes.
Thank you, James, for being an inspiration to the community and for providing a great product.
Hey, in the words of Chick-fil-A, my pleasure. All
right. I think we're about time to flip these lovely sausages over. Oh, I like the way you think, Jessie. She said, ooh, ah. She really needs a microphone on because I'm not talking to myself, as Jessie just said. All right, so we are going to cut up our vegetables now. So we have corn on the cob, which I love shucking corn on the cob. There's something about it. I feel like if I'm mad at the world, shucking corn kind of relieves stress. You might see corn growing out here at some point. You'll know why. Not because of us at all. There is no evidence of us being out here. So after we get rid of some of this hairy stuff, you can leave some of it on. It's not gonna hurt anything. Then we're going to just cut this off and make a big, huge mess. Usually I would have a bowl out here, but we were kicked out of the kitchen, so. Just kidding, Steve. Let's flip these sausages again. Oh, could you be a flipper? No, Jessie is ready to be a sous chef. She doesn't have her chef hat, but.
Oh, I don't. Okay, so
all right,
you
leave
gotta
that
tell
sausage
me
the way it is right
when
now.
to flip, and I'll be ready.
Okay.
Other than that, I'm just gonna look around.
You sound like you have a lobster claw in your hand. I'd be scared. All right, so after we are done getting the corn off the cob, we'll do our potatoes next.
Just pretend I'm cutting.
I think you can flip those, Jessie. Okay. Let's see how good you are.
I'm probably, see, I'm gonna flip them and then they're gonna just go right back to where they were at, aren't they?
Take responsibility. Tell them where you want them to go, and they will
Stay.
go.
Hey, look, it's working.
See?
It's working. Okay, that one didn't cook a whole lot though. There's AC in the office.
C! For cranberries.
All right. Once that sausage
I'm gonna move that one, that little guy.
is done,
Y'all, I do cook at my house, but I'm not a chef, so.
you can put it on this plate here.
Oh, it's done?
Now it is.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna cut it up and cook it even more in a minute. We're
Okay.
just getting it started. All right. I can
Okay.
do it there. All right. Now we're gonna give this a little bit of oil.
Do you still need me to flip or no?
You can stand by.
Okay, I'll just stand here.
You were useful in that moment.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
You haven't been fired yet.
Yet.
Now you can use the spatula and kind of move that around a little bit so it's even. Yeah, there you go. I'm cutting up some pepper right now. I think I said that I was not going to be using pepper, but I'm sorry. I just like pepper. Peppers are delicious. I feel like this is a setup. Look at that Harvested and Handcrafted lady. She went crazy.
Okay, now are you the
No.
spatula person now?
No, you're still it. But you can wait. Don't
Okay,
go
okay.
ahead and okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna cut up some zucchini.
Just wave at everybody driving by.
Everybody driving by. Some of you might be watching right now and being like, what are they doing out there?
Now you know.
Now.
Okay, so now am I mixing this too much? Do
No.
I need to just leave it alone and let it cook?
No, you're doing a wonderful job.
Okay, good.
You're babying it. That's what it
Good.
wants. It's like, yes, love us.
Somebody on the camera watching may have that question too. I mean,
You don't have to stir it as much as Jessie is. I just happen to have that second hand right here. You can, leave it to just kind of do its
yeah,
thing.
but knowing me, it will get burned if I don't, so.
Fair. Probably
Yeah.
me too. All right, so after we throw in this zucchini and the tomatoes, we're gonna cut up that Boudin,
Boudin.
and put it in the skillet with. Okay. Now I'm going to also add in a little bit of our spices to these vegetables.
Yeah, don't zoom in on our face.
A little sweaty over there, Jessie?
Yeah. Couldn't work in a kitchen.
All right, I'm going to do big chunks.
Sausage.
Yeah. You can make it as small or as big as you want, but big looks like fun to me. All right, now for the overcrowding of the pan where we're like, we don't have enough room.
Okay, are you gonna do the flip now?
You are looking to run away.
I am. I feel so self-conscious up here.
Go back behind the camera, Jessie. Beyond Basic is here at the Somerville Dream office. They come and, correct me if I'm wrong, Jessie, they help clean on Wednesdays? Okay.
They actually come twice.
Oh, they come twice. It's kind of like their little field trip, I guess. And so they're all the way across the parking lot, and all of them are over there yelling, Jessie! So she's well loved by the Beyond Basic team. You guys can come over. Yeah, we actually just said they're yelling Jessie's name over there. They love her.
Here. Okay, who wants to talk?
Whatever.
How
outlet.
good does the food smell?
Good.
Yes, it smells very good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Dude, now whenever you came here today, did you think that somebody would be cooking out in Hutchison Square?
Yeah.
Yes, really?
Yes.
We figured people would think we're crazy.
Do you guys love seeing Jessie?
Yes, sausage.
Hello.
We are
I'm Melissa.
making a one-pot sausage.
Sausage and vegetable. Yeah. Yeah, got some potatoes and zucchini, corn. Yeah. Yes.
Everything for the Somerville Farmers Market.
Yes. Olive oil from Low Country Olive Oil, who is also right across the way from us, right? Yep, right over there. Gotta support those local people.
Does it smell good?
Good.
Y'all give it a 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
All right.
My job here is done.
What did we say, you guys?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, bye.
Bye, y'all.
Thanks for coming and helping at the office.
Bye. Good to see you. Have fun today. Well, that was a fun little surprise. I think we are done. I think our potatoes are finally cooked. Yep. All right. Let's pan it up and see what Jesse thinks.
Hey, whoever you are. See, they noticed us.
Right?
They said that's harvested and
I was
handcrafted.
gonna say we need a banner or something.
They said, let me honk my horn.
Love it. Yeah, microphone on those honkings. Should have like a microphone facing the street.
Yeah.
Who's gonna honk at us?
I go camping all the time. I love it. See, I gotta
You know where we live, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just drop that anywhere.
I lost
you got a
my
piece of
potato.
zucchini. That's all you got. You didn't even grab sausage. I feel like sausage is the star here, but you're thinking vegetables are the star.
Mm-hmm. I love vegetables.
Mm.
How spicy is the sausage?
That's what you were scared of, huh?
Yes.
It's not.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut a little piece of the sausage.
No, I actually was thinking the same thing. I'm like Cajun. Sometimes that scares me away too. But it's not the type of spice that you'd be like, oh my gosh, I can't eat any more of that.
Okay, is she lying to me?
Give you a minute to cook, as they say it in these young kids' words.
Why is it not gonna hit me until after?
Has it hit you yet?
It's not too hot. I didn't taste it until I swallowed it. The
Those
heat.
vegetables are good.
Yeah.
I feel like the vegetables have more of a kick from this seasoning than the sausage does.
Mm.
All the
Delicious. Good job. You did good.
I think this one was a good one.
You did real good today.
And did you notice I didn't use any measuring cups today?
That's even better.
That's my favorite kind of cooking.
It's less stuff to wash too.
And less things to memorize. Like how much goes in here? I don't know. Girl math.
Yeah.
This is my type of cooking. Just keep throwing things in the pot and voila. You only have one dish to clean, which is always nice.
Well, other than that, I don't have to clean a dish because I have this fancy fork.
Well, I could throw this away, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, don't do that.
So go out to the farmer's market, grab yourself some one-pot ingredients.
Everything from the farmer's market this week too.
Yes, not one thing was store-bought.
Yeah.
I love when that happens. All right. See y'all out at the farmer's market.
Bye.
And it's funny, once you start eating the farmer's market food, you really realize like what food is supposed to taste like.